Hello again. I'm still continuing my Roblox journey, and I'm trying to learn a lot of like Lua, scripting, coding, a bit of Python maybe, I'm not sure yet. We'll see where the journey will go. In this video, I would like to show you a cool concept, how to make a thing collectible with Handle. It's very, yeah, it's a basic thing one should know when designing in Roblox. I'm very open to your questions. I'm very open to more experienced Roblox game people. Give me feedbacks how I can improve my skills in the Roblox studio. It's a bit hard to learn this on my own. It's a bit hard to get the right path and get the right concepts, but I don't give up, as you know me. So yeah, have fun with this today's video. Okay, so I insert a new sphere, I put it here, and I will give it a brick color in yellow. Okay, now I will select this and I will rename it to Handle. Okay, now I go to Workspace plus Tool, and it inserted a new tool, and now I will grab this handle and I will pull it up to here. Now it's in the tool. Okay, so if we run the game now and I go to this sphere, this yellow sphere, and I will touch it, I picked it up. And now if I go backspace, I can throw it, for example. Or if I pick it up again and click on tool, it's in my backpack.